ọma na-ege ntị. My name is Nwada Amala, onye nkuzi Igbo, your Igbo teacher. Today, we will learn the Igbo words for colors, Ocha or Agwa. Some Igbo colors are attributed to the color of the things they represent. For example, green is Ndondo, which means life. Other colors are white, which in Igbo means Ocha, yellow, Edo, red, Uhie or Mmemme. Mmemme means blood. Pink, Uhie Ocha. Blue, Amoloji or Anunu. Gold, Edo. Black, Oji. Orange, Uhie or Nchara. Brown, Uri or Aja. Gray or ash, Ntu. Purple, Ufie. Violet, Odo. Silver and white have the same meaning in Igbo, Olocha. But most people now refer to silver as Olocha, the Igbo name for silver, which is jewelry. In Igbo, Olocha means jewelry, but it can now represent silver color. Also, when you want to ask someone for the color of something, you say, Kedu ihe ọ na-acha? What is the color, or what is the color of that item? Kedu ihe ọ na-acha? This brings us to the end of this lesson on the names of colors in Igbo language. Cordino, see you again in our next episode.